Hey everyone, it's Tina, and I just wanted to do a really quick video today showing you how I assemble the cling stamp sets from Stampin' Up. So you guys know, coming from close to my heart, we only had the acrylics, which Stampin' Up has as well, but they call them the photopolymer stamp set. And now they have cling, but I'll show you this. This is the photopolymer set, and I actually already took it off of the sheet and put it right on the case, right over where the words go. So that's kind of nice with their photopolymers. You can see exactly where the words go, and then they have a sheet you can save over it. But today I wanted to talk about the cling set, and I just got this set. I couldn't resist. I love little critters, and this one's adorable. Look, he's holding a little heart that he tied together with like popsicle sticks. Oh, I can't stand it. So I got this set, and when it comes, it looks like this. Okay, so not super exciting. And then these are the stickers that you're going to put on it. And the first thing I wanted to make sure all of my close to my heart peeps knew is that they have this little slit. It's cut right there through the sticker sheet, and that's going to allow you to pull that off and put it on. So what I do is I start by taking it out of the rubber, and you can take all of them out at once if you want. You can just take a couple, it doesn't matter. Some people save this rubber thing in their case to put it away, to put the stamps right back in. So they might put it in their case like this, and then they put their stamps in. I guess, let's see if I can do this right. I don't know. Oh, like that, yes, so that they can have it snug in the case. You can do that as well. But today, all I want to do is show you the way I have found it easiest to add the image. So you just bend this little piece, and you pull off the release paper, and it exposes that fun image that you want on your stamp, which you're still going to be able to mount to an acrylic block. So you take that off, and then you also take this release paper off. And then what I have found the easiest thing to do is I leave all the rest of this release paper on, and I simply line it up starting at the bottom, because I can see that, and then slowly set it down. Give it a good push, and then ta-da! Your stamp has the image, and it's ready to go back in your case. Okay, so I guess this is what a lot of people are doing. They put this sheet back in, and then they store, let me see if I can do it the right way. They store the stamps right back in there, okay? I haven't been doing that. I have just simply been adding my stamp to the case just like that, and then I pull it off when I'm ready to use it, okay? So I'll do one more. Let's do this little cute guy that's holding the hearts. So I'm gonna bend it, pull off this release paper, easy peasy, and then pull off this release paper, and then line it up right, oops, I'm an ant, right on the piece, and set it down slowly. Once it's down, you can't lift it up and rearrange it at all. So I like leaving this release paper on because I know I'm just getting it right in the opening. And then ta-da, my next cute little stamp, and he is ready to go right in my case. So I've just been throwing these away, but I hope that helps you guys know what to do when you get a cling stamp set. Super easy to put it together, and then it's ready to go when you're ready to stamp. All right, thanks for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, feel free to do that. I'm starting to post more and more videos finally, and I would love to have you guys follow along and leave me comments about what you like or what you want to see. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.